What comes to mind when you hear the terms data and information? Often these words are used interchangeably, but in reality, they represent two distinct concepts. Data, in its simplest form, are raw, unprocessed facts and figures without any added interpretation or analysis. It's like the ingredients you buy from the supermarket. You've got your fresh fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins, but without a recipe and a chef to combine them in a meaningful way, they remain just ingredients. That's your data. Output, on the other hand, information is data that has been processed, organized, or structured in a way that's meaningful and informative. It's the delicious meal that's been cooked using the ingredients following a recipe. It's more than just raw facts. It's data that has been given context and purpose. Consider this. A student's marks in different subjects are pieces of data. When you take this data and calculate the total marks, you transform it into information. But the process doesn't stop there. You can take this information, the total marks, and process it again to calculate the student's average marks. Here, the total marks become the data, and the average marks become the information. Let's look at some more examples to further illustrate this concept. Imagine a university where the raw facts about students are stored on admission forms. If you wanted to find a list of all students who live in Faisalabad, you would need to process this data. The resulting list, then, is a form of processed data, which we can now call information. Or think about a census. The raw data stored in a census can be processed to generate various types of information. For instance, the government can use it to find the total number of graduates or the literacy rate in the country. This information, obtained by processing the data, can be used by the government to make important decisions to improve the literacy rate. Even an organization can use data to generate information of its interest. It can collect people's opinions as data and process it to find out how many people in the country are satisfied or unsatisfied with the quality of its product. The organization can then use this information to improve its product. In essence, data is the raw material, the building blocks, while information is the finished product, the structure built from these blocks. Data is the input for processing, and information is the output of this processing. This information can even be used again in some other processing, where it will be considered as data. So to sum up, data and information are two sides of the same coin, each playing a vital role in decision-making, problem-solving, and overall understanding of the world. By processing data, we can extract meaningful information that can help us make informed decisions, improve systems, and enhance our understanding of complex scenarios. Remember, data is just the beginning. It's what you do with it that truly matters.